Okay, we have made it to bag 7 of what I bought on the Highway 127 garage sale that I packed in my car and don't remember what I got. I don't know what it is about that, but it's like amnesia every time. Sometimes when I open the bag, I can remember things that I remember, but not this time. All right, we have a leather embroidered vest with the roses on it. This one is packed full. What do we have here? A Free People cardigan-ish thing. I knew I had more of the Cavu backpacks. I can't even think. There's the second one. I showed you one yesterday. Here's another one. What do we got? A little boho crochet top. Bags always scare me. Let's see. What is in this? I'm always afraid it may have been, I don't know, our dirty clothes from the hotel that I stuck in here. I don't do that, but still makes me think about it. What do we got? Chico's animal print dress. And love this grandma style sweatshirts. Another crochet trim boho top. My goodness, that one got wrinkled. What is this? I don't see any tags. I think it's homemade. Little dress. Like the flowers at the top. Y'all, this bag is confusing me. I don't remember any of these things. What am I doing? What am I looking at? What is happening? Surely there's more to this, but there's this little top. Surely there's something else that goes with that. I don't know. Okay, that has the same, okay. Oh, this I do remember. This is a sari. This was at a barn sale. It was an odd sale. They had every blow mold, Christmas blow mold you could possibly ever imagine. It was crazy. This is another vintage something. Skirt. This is a black diamond fleece vest. The Southwest design on it. I love things with sequins. They always make me smile. This is a vintage sweater with the sequins on it. And here's another one. Oops. Made in Hong Kong, so vintage 90s LL Bean men's shirt. These are really cram-packed in here. That's a Eddie Bauer heavy flannel shirt. What's that brand? Crystal Kobe women's cardigan. A blazer of some sort. Oh, the blazer and apparently a top. There's the blazer. And the matching, oh, it's a skirt. Matching skirt. It's a little sheer beaded top. A reversible quilted jacket. This is a, let's see, what am I looking at? I think it's a jacket. Okay. Military vibes going on there. More dry cleaner bags. Alright, let's just, oh, I bought this one because it reminded me of a very dear friend of mine that's no longer with us who loved Maxine. So it says, having a bad day, better you than me. That I'll probably keep for me. This is a linen floral blazer. The rest of it is in dry cleaner bags. Yeah. Alright, so let's see what we got. The Newport News velvet patchwork animal print top. This is a hand painted shirt. This one is kicking my backside, y'all. Oh, there's a tie. Let's see what it is. It has ducks on it. So love picking up ties. What else we got? This, oh, I remember this sale now. It was in a church parking lot, and they had these racks and racks of clothes, most of them still in the dry cleaner bags. Okay, it's vintage Bobby Brooks little top, very grandma core with the ribbon embroidery and the buttons. This one, same general idea, but this one has embroidered ladybugs and flowers on it. Gingham check. And the shirt has a stain. It's a military looking shirt, but it's not a military brand. And then this plaid blazer. Very preppy, very old money. Yay, we did it. It about hurt. Oh, no, one more. It's another of the Bobby Brooks embroidered plaid shirt with the little embroidered flowers. Okay, now, that was bag 7. There should be 2 more bags to go in the car. Hope you enjoyed this unbagging of things that I don't remember I bought on the Highway 127, and we'll pick up here again tomorrow. I'll see you then. GoPro, stop recording.